This is a career organizer for actors with no locked-in subscriptions, available on desktop and mobile so you can use it on the go, and it's based on Notion, which is a well-established billion-dollar company that you can even connect directly to your AI of choice. It's called Track Your Talent. Let's take a look. You can do all of your audition tracking in this, track all of your projects, along with every stage of every project, from audition to work days. You can add notes, reviews, and add each contact you meet along the way. In fact, add every industry contact you meet, whether via an audition, an industry event, or even a random meeting, so you can keep track of your working history and relationship. Keep notes, conversation points, important dates, mark them for follow-ups, and even set custom notification reminders for yourself so you can boost your networking like never before. Going through a quiet time? Then focus on your career goals and break them down into actionable tasks so you're always moving forward. And don't forget to log any important lessons you learned along the way. Then, as your career progresses, find what's working and what's not with your career stats. Know your callback and booking rates, what character types you do best, where the work is coming from, and your success rate with each casting office, so you can fine-tune your career approach. And use the Actor HQ homepage each week to see what needs your attention first, along with the calendar view with all of your auditions, workdays, and career events in one place. Oh, and did I mention how customizable it is? Not only can you change all the images, icons, and colors, but if you want to track a field that's not already included, simply add a new one. You're not bound by someone else's limited scope. You can customize it to suit your own personal needs. And best of all, it's a one-time fee, then free forever, because it's made to work on Notion's free level plan. So what are you waiting for? If you're serious about your acting career, check out Track Your Talent today.